Husqvarna Automower is designed for easy installation. Start by unpacking the Automower. Then place the charging station. Attach the power supply and begin charging Automower. Next, lay the boundary wire along the edges of the lawn so the Automower knows where to mow. Then, place the guide wire which leads the Automower around your lawn and back to the charging station. After the wires are installed, connect them to the charging station. Finally, use your smartphone to complete the installation with the Automower Connect app. Now sit back and let your Husqvarna Automower take over and deliver the perfect lawn 24/7.